Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Baby Girl and
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. And don't if you new, also comment down below on where you came about finding Where Beginners. This is Michelle. Go follow her on Instagram. No, don't go follow her on Instagram.
Why not?
I'm at the mall and then I decided, no, not me. I didn't decide that I should open up a vlog by she reminded me to open up a vlog and to do content and everything, and then I was like, oh hell no. And then she was like, do you know what, never mind, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Girls.
Make a couple like next.
So this girl told us to come to the mall. They don't even know
What we wanna
what we're gonna do at the mall, and I just decided that I'm gonna
vlog about
open up my
I am
vlog.
hungry. I am hungry, so
She's hungry.
I need to eat.
We
guys.
first need to visit the
Like-
shops though before we eat.
I need to eat. Like seriously, this is making me a little bit cute. Damn.
You didn't even record when you was playing your shit.
So a little update, guys. We're gonna go eat now. With that,
We're
I'm
hungry,
never
hungry.
ever gonna go shopping or to the mall with Kayla again.
Why?
We were supposed to come for her. We were supposed to come to a store, yeah, but then
You end up buying shit.
we ended up doing shopping.
Blame
So
yourself.
I don't understand. Where are we going, babe?
Upstairs to eat.
Why is it like this? So guys, a little update. Let me tell you what happened. The craziest thing just happened right now. We busy sitting now, we eating, we finally settled down. But before I show you my food. So Kayla lost her phone. Do you know how discouraged I was? She didn't panic. She did not panic. Do you know how I panicked? As if it was as if it was my phone. Like, she did not even panic once. We actually thought we actually we actually thought Michelle had it because we know Michelle at the end of the day.
I thought she was playing a prank. Like,
Luckily, when we got back to the store, we finally got back to the store and we found it. I was so relieved. She was busy laughing. I told her not to laugh because because this is not a joke. I don't understand. Yo, I was so mad.
if you don't find this phone, that's gonna happen.
I was so mad, guys.
I was already starting to think I'm gonna get Hindi.
Okay, let me show you guys what I bought. I bought fries. This is the price of KFC. they gave me Coke with ice in. I don't really like ice. I don't know why they did it. And then it's my chef burger. They have they have my chicken in the eating. So guys, a little update. We done eating or whatever. We're gonna go buy Kayla's medicine now. Don't ask me which medicine.
For myself.
And then we're gonna get your Uber home.
Okay.
But then in the meantime, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Guys, we just got out of the mall. We're waiting for a car to come fetch us or whatever. And then we literally just went to the store to go buy some stuff. And then we're gonna go home and then I'll check in with you guys later. Guys, I just got home. I'm literally so tired. I'm not even gonna explain to you what happened. But then I'm back home. I don't know if I should close this vlog here and start a new one because this content of today alone is it's a lot for you guys to see. So I think I'm gonna close this vlog and start a new vlog tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm gonna edit this and then I'm gonna start a new one. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys in my next vlog or whatever. What? She's looking at me. I don't even know why she's looking at me. She's making me so shiny.